Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
My voting card is Konkoso. Yes, the NFF candidate.
Going by the state of the nation in Nigeria, we are right here in Ibadan city, and we have come to solicit people's opinion about the four major presidential candidates we have in Nigeria. We have that of Tinubu for APC and PDP, that's Atiku Abubakar, and Kwankwaso, that's for NLPP, and also Labour Party for Obi. So going by this, we have come to Hausa community in Ibadan to require from them what do they think about these four major presidential candidates. So I have here with me an Hausa man that is going to say what he believes or what he knows about these four presidential candidates. See, the four major presidential candidates we have in Nigeria. So how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Babagana Alhaji Bukar.
Babagana
Alhaji Bukar.
Alhaji Bukar. Okay.
Yes.
So with the four presidential candidates we have in Nigeria, so who do you think who is your vote going to?
My voting card is Konkoso. Yes, the NFF candidate.
So you believe he can do it better?
I believe he can do better.
So why do you choose him?
I choose him because of our people of Nigeria. Anything that happen, he will talk. But he's not a president or vice president or governor. But he will talk everything.
So you believe he can handle the economy, the insecurity, how they have been, all the killings that has been happening? You think
Yes. I believe he can do. Yes.
So do you? What can you say about his personality?
Like about personality.
He's kind of person. Is he a good man?
He's a good man. And that's why I say I will vote him. Yes.
Among the four presidential candidates we have in Nigeria, that of NLPP, Kwankwaso, and PDP, Atiku Abubakar, and Labour Party, Obi, Peter Obi, and APC, that's Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Who do you think would do it better that we should vote for come 2023? You as a person, who are you going to vote for?
For my one, I want to vote to Atiku Abubakar.
Okay, Atiku Abubakar. Okay, that's PDP.
Yeah, it's PDP, my party.
Okay, why do you choose Atiku Abubakar?
Because of what the issue we have to in this country. That's why I choose Atiku Abubakar. 2015, I vote for APC, and I give my whole chance to APC because the problem why we have at that time, I think the SPC will can't do better. But I saw now the APC they are not do well.
They disappointed you.
So that's why now I don't change. I cannot APC again. For all these four now, this thing I think maybe it go better than Atiku. So I'm voting for Atiku now because of now the country we don't have security, has no work and no light, education, everything don't go down. So because of that, I think that Atiku can come down and do better.
So you believe so much in Atiku that he can do it?
Yes, it's Atiku. It's my one now. So what I want to contribute me, my one, yeah.
Question we say, who you want to vote
for Atiku. Nah, Atiku.
Okay, why you choose Atiku?
Because Atiku now they help us well. Atiku now he say don't take my promise. He say they help for people in the suffer. They help us for the this thing where they happen. For what thing they happen. That's why they help us. Say because I know they hear English way. I they talk Hausa.
You can say it in
Dan Atiku yana taimaka mana yace shi ne yana kore danki da rashawa kuma da yunwa da fada da komi shi ne yana kawo lafiya. Komi da komi shi yana taimaka ma talakawa ba su shan wahala. Yawa gashi lokacin gashi wannan Buhari mun zabe shi gashi muna shan wahala ga yunwa ga fada ga kashe-kashe ga talauci ga rashin babu ga rashin noma gashi muna shan wahala mun rasa dukiya yawa shi yasa muna so Atiku kuma in Allah ya yarda za yi mana canji shi yasa muna so mu zabi Atiku.
So you believe so much in Atiku?
Abunda muna so sosai Atiku shine mun fi so sosai. Ka san Buhari gashi ya yi mana alkawari kuma ba abin da mun gani yawa.
Our Labour Party, Delphia, Naso, Australia, Nigeria, Sassen,
PDP ma. Yes.
Why did you choose?
Biya kawai shi magana la fati dama magana la shi maletin biyo. Biya ne fati APC ya riga la tuma ne din biya burona ndera la sirin do siri de arma suke.
Why you want don't promise plenty, but never fulfill.
I don't want vote.
You don't want vote? Why?
I don't get voters card now.
Go get voters card. Go and get it.
Okay.
Oga? Oga? Yeah. How are you? How you doing? Okay. You get voters card?
Yes, I know it.
You don't get them?
Yes.
That means you go vote for next election.
Yes.
By 2020.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. You're a good Nigerian.
Yes.
Oga, how are you?
How are you fine?
Okay. You get voters card?
Yes.
So that means you go vote by
I get voters card.
voters card.
Yes.
So who you go vote?
For Borno State.
For Borno you go vote. Who you go
Okay, but for Atiku Abubakar.
Okay, why Atiku?
Atiku Abubakar.
Why?
Okay, Atiku. No problem, no kolo. Problem no day Atiku kwata. Inshallah.
Oga? You get voters card?
I get voters card.
You get voters card? Okay. How are you?
You.
You get voters card?
Yes.
Get out.
Atiku
Atiku.
Abubakar. Yes, I support Atiku Abubakar.
You support them?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
You like him?
Correct man.
Correct?
Yes, the correct man.